Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna join y'all with my new truck. It's a 97 F250 heavy duty. So this right here, I got my title's not in yet. I gotta reprint my titles from the department and get my title on it. So for some reason, when I bought it, the tires are here. These are supposed to be on the front, and these are supposed to be on the back. And you can see the difference in the rims. But we gotta take a lot of stuff out of the bed. So the bed probably gonna be taken off, and I'll show you all the inside. Got a lot of stuff in here. Got my cowboy hat. Got my CB. Got my light. I'm trying to figure out how to turn it on. Part of the department. Got wires. And it's a straight shift. It's not an automatic. And my exhaust pipe, I'm probably gonna cut the exhaust out. I'll probably have to cut it out all the way to back here. Right here, all the way from my exhaust system. And the coal is very black. I got a dance to go to in about 2 more hours, 9 o'clock. And right now, it's 7:09. This right here is the one tire that come with it, and it's dry rotted. I'm gonna get some dual tires, put on the front, and put some bigger dual tires on the back, and I'll have my truck. I gotta do a whole new paint job. I gotta fix this truck. I'm probably gonna put a 6-inch lift on it. This is right here. It's a truck I've been driving for a while right now. It is literally fucking cold. Not cold as fuck, guys. This right here is my camper. We're gonna have to get this right here done before we get anything done. Standing this one over here right now. This is our second. We are in the process of remodeling this one because it's 46 foot and the height is 17 foot tall. It's a fifth wheel. It's got a ball hitch. See in the middle? Well, you can't see it from here. In the middle,